Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set your Snapstreak reminders. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have the spotlights where you can check out spotlights on Snapchat, stories where you can of course go and check out stories that people posted, your camera, and of course your chats and location on the app. But now guys, let's see how you could actually go and set your Snapstreak reminders. So to set a Snapstreak reminder, go to your profile and tap your Snapchat Plus membership card and tap Streak Reminders, Snapstreak reminders. Turn on reminders for the streaks you want to get notified about. So you can manage individual reminders from your chat feed by pressing and holding on a friend and toggling Snapstreak reminder on or of course off. If you want to go turn it on, of course you can click on and off, of course click on off. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.